Hi everyone, welcome to the English Language and Literature. Today we're diving into 5 English words that are so unique they don't really exist in other languages. And yes, they're weird, funny, and very real. Let's go. Word 1, cringe. Cringe is that feeling of secondhand embarrassment, like when someone tells a bad joke and keeps laughing alone. It's that moment when you want to crawl under the table. Other languages describe this in phrases, but English just says cringe. Word 2, awkward. Awkward is one of the most versatile words. A long silence in a conversation? Awkward. You wave at someone and they weren't waving at you? Awkward. It captures discomfort without needing to explain anything. Word 3, serendipity. Serendipity is beautiful. It means finding something good unexpectedly, like discovering your favorite book in a random shop, or meeting a new best friend by total accident. It's about happy surprises, and English made it poetic. Word 4, facepalm. You know when someone says something so ridiculous that all you can do is this? Gesture facepalm. That's a facepalm. One word, one reaction. Universal feeling. English just named it. Word 5, overthink. This one hits home. Overthink means thinking too much, worrying too much, spiraling over nothing. You rethink a text you sent 5 hours ago? You play an awkward moment on repeat in your head for a week? Congratulations, you overthink. And now you have the word for it. Which one of these words do you use the most? Comment below. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart, funny, and useful English content every week.